our stainless 3-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left and right, 79 inches in length, a depth of 21 inches, and a height of 43.5 inches tall with splash. Minus the splash, we have 37 inches. 3 compartments, each measuring 15 inches in length, 15 inches in depth, and 12 inches in height. Measures apply for each of the 3 sinks. Drain baskets will also be included. Coming to the left and right side are the drain boards. Each drain board will measure 15 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Coming to the top will be the left and right slots to mount your faucet. And the distance between each mount we have 9 inches. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.